Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best outdoor dining set for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion, smart technology for smoother visuals, and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best outdoor dining set for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. When it comes to outdoor dining, comfort, style, and durability are key factors to consider. The Grand Patio 7-piece patio, best outdoor dining set, offers all of this and more. Designed to provide both functionality and aesthetics, this set is perfect for families, gatherings, or anyone who loves spending time outdoors. Key features: E-coated swivel dining chairs. The set includes 6 swivel dining chairs that offer 360-degree movement, adding comfort and flexibility during meals or casual conversations. These chairs are built with an E-coated finish, which provides excellent protection against rust and weather conditions. This makes them ideal for year-round outdoor use. Additionally, the chairs are fitted with olefin cushions, a high-quality, weather-resistant fabric known for its durability and comfort. The cushions are easy to clean and maintain, ensuring that they stay fresh even after prolonged exposure to the elements. Rectangular faux wood grain dining table. The centerpiece of this set is the black rectangular faux wood grain dining table. With its sleek and contemporary design, the table combines the beauty of natural wood with the convenience of modern materials. The faux wood grain finish offers the look of wood without the upkeep, making it a low-maintenance option for your patio. The table is spacious, providing ample room for 6 people to enjoy their meals comfortably. Market umbrella hole. One standout feature of this dining table is the 1.5-inch umbrella hole, which is perfect for adding a market umbrella to provide shade during sunny days. The hole is designed to accommodate most standard umbrellas, allowing you to enjoy outdoor dining without worrying about the sun. Durability and design. Crafted with high-quality materials, this dining set is built to withstand various weather conditions. The E-coated metal frames are resistant to rust, corrosion, and fading, ensuring long-lasting beauty. The cushions are made with olefin fabric, which resists mildew, stains, and fading, ensuring your set stays vibrant and comfortable for years to come. So Grand Patio 7-piece patio dining set is a stylish, durable, and functional outdoor furniture solution for anyone looking to upgrade their patio. With comfortable swivel chairs, a sleek dining table, and an umbrella hole for extra shade, this set provides everything you need for a relaxing and enjoyable outdoor dining experience. Whether you're hosting a family dinner or enjoying a quiet meal outdoors, this set offers the perfect combination of comfort and style. Thanks for watching the video.